Hey everybody, it's Tony with Blacktop Magazine, and I'm here to unbox the Beast Shop Stool from Urban Transit. This just got sent in to us, and I'm excited to use this because well, from what I saw online, this thing is pretty cool. It's got all the features, even a backrest, and what I'm looking forward to is that, you know, as we get older, it's easier for us to work sometimes sitting down, but this thing's got big old casters and all that, so we can roll around. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. All right. I dig it. I think it's pretty cool. Now let's go through some of the things here. See how that works. Very nice. It's all made of metal. It's not plastic in there. You know, that's nice. This is all bolted in really well. You got the nice runner on the drawers. Good 3-inch casters there. Yeah. Thinking it's pretty cool. The Beast. That's it. The Beast Shop Stool by Urban Transit. Can't wait to get this thing working. All right.
Hi, I'm Veronica Velvet. Thank you for watching Blacktop TV.